Hi guys, welcome to Unleash Dance. This is our hip hop playlist and today we are going to learn a move called the Roger Rabbit. So let's first look at the footwork. Keep your feet in a neutral stance, shoulder width apart. What we are going to do is lift our right leg backwards. So we extend it backwards and then place it just behind our left leg. As we do this, simultaneously, we lift our left leg off the ground. Let's try it one more time. Neutral stance, extend back, place and lift. Now, the same thing with our left leg, extend it backwards and place it right behind your right leg and lift your right leg off the floor. 1. Let's do this continuously. 5, 6, 7, go. Back and change, back and change. That's the footwork, guys. Now let's look at the arm movement. Keep your hands fisted and relaxed. Do the same thing with your arms. So extend them backwards as you extend your leg backwards and then push them forward when you lift your leg off the floor. 1. So you expand and contract, expand and contract. Okay, let's join the footwork and the arm movement. 5, 6, 7, go. Back and off the floor, back and off the floor, back and off the floor. Now let's look at it sideways. So start with a neutral stance, extend your leg backwards, your hands go back, open up your chest, push your shoulders back so your body goes back and boom. Same thing with your left leg, back and boom, back and change, back and change. Let's try it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, goes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sideways. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's the move, guys. Let's try it with some music.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.